because it signifies to capture, to possess knowledge. It signifies to capture. Does our enthusiasm as humanity remain in our throat? Or else can we break the system by adding read after read, can we? Siege, that is, no longer taking the system out of the hands of the Quran. People are very enthusiastic about this, that is true, but the Almighty God said no, we have restricted it, you cannot fully comprehend or understand it completely. So your enthusiasm remains lodged in your throat. The system owner introduced you to this with limited information in a restricted area. But as you become more involved with these readings, you tend to become increasingly extravagant. However, you are unaware that what you have in your hands is far from capable of supporting this level of extravagance. But still it's excessive. No, indeed, man transgresses because he sees himself self-sufficient. These verses are in the middle of expressions that command reading and mention the acquisition of knowledge by writing. When an individual achieves self-sufficiency, they exert control over objects, viewing themselves as autonomous as they acquire knowledge. Karun mentioned, "I have been given this based on my knowledge." Thus, knowledge is undeniably a source of power and plays a vital role in shaping our lives.